Hey guys, I'm back. It has been a while since I uploaded a game. So here it is. Henry Stickman Steal the Diamond. This is part 1 of this game, and if you want to see part 2, then do check my friend's channel. The channel's name is Hargun Crafts. He will upload part 2 of this game next week. I will leave his channel link in the description. And this is that game, Henry Stickman. This is a two-player game, and this is the second book, Items for Henry Stickman. So this is the first page. As you can see, Henry grabbing a diamond. So let's get into the game. So there are three levels in this game. First level is to escape from the jail, second to get into the museum, and third to steal the diamond. So this is the first page. Look, Henry is sitting over here trapped in a jail. So my friend will say how to escape. So let's take page 1 in this book. Okay, now over here we have page 1. We have two things which will lead us to the jailbreak. First one is iron cutter and the second one is chair. So let's see, if my friend chooses chair, then let's see what will happen. Page 3. Okay, uh, our Henry opens this vent standing on this chair. Then okay, he is inside that vent. So now we have to now my friend have to say which way he will go. If my friend says to go left, then I have to go to page 5. Okay, the bench broke in between and we fell into two policemen and we are out. And if my friend says page 2, let's see what will happen. Okay, we are going through here and we fell down from the building. Okay, so this vent will not work. So the next thing is the iron cutter. So let's see. My friend chose iron cutter, and there are two ways to escape. First one is break the cell. Second one is break the window. Okay, my friend is choosing to break the window, which is page 2. This is the window. Okay, he broke the window and fell down again, so he's out. So the only option is to break the cell. Okay, page 6. Okay, Howard Henry broke the jail. What's page 7? So when Henry was breaking the jail, a policeman got information that someone has. So this policeman got the information that someone has broke the jail. So he came to check that. So let's see how we escape from this. Page number 7. Okay, page 7. There are three ways to escape. My friends have to choose one of these three items. Look, first of all, we have a gun, and second, emergency button, and third, red cloth. I don't know what this red cloth will do, and my friend is using this gun, which is to go to page 8. Okay, our Henry Stickman used the gun, but he haven't learned to aim. Yeah, so all the bullets are gone now. He is trapped again. So that's not the way. Now, if my friend uses emergency button, is to go to page 10. Yeah, yeah. Every policeman came there, hearing the alarm of the emergency button, and he is trapped again. Okay. Now let's see what this red cloth will do. Page 12. He threw the red cloth on the policeman. Yeah, a bull came there to kill him. You all know that bulls don't like this red color clothes. So that's the way. I don't know from where this bull came from, but yeah, he's gone now. Okay, now let's go to page 14. Yeah, now many policemen came there to check what happened. Now here to escape. So now page 14. Okay. Now there are three things. Grenade, go to the nearest room and surrender. No way that my friend is going to surrender, but let's see what will happen. Page 11. Yeah, it's just surrender. Yeah, he's trapped again. And now let's see what this grenade will do. This is a bomb actually. Page number 16, 15. Yeah, as you can see this giant thing over here, this cylinder is filled with lots of explosives and other stuff, so everyone dies, the whole jail explodes. So we only have one option to, that's to go to the nearest room, which is page 16. Okay, now he is in the nearest room, and there are, and he have to escape from here, so let's see what he have. Yeah, there are three options. Go out. Let's see what will happen when we go out. Page number 11. Yeah, policemen are waiting for us. Okay, so this is not the way. Chair and pickaxe. Let me see what this pickaxe will do. Page 5. Yeah, he dig straight down and fell into into a room of police, and he got trapped again. So pickaxe is not the way. So this is that game. In this book, there are many options to escape, and if we choose the wrong one, then we are out. So our last option is chair, which is page 17. Okay, with the chair, he opened this vent and he reached here. He's in top of this building, and now let's see how can we escape. Okay, now there are three ways again. First is a grapple gun, which is a rope gun which we can attach to another structure or building. And second is parachute. And third is this thing. So let's see what this grapple gun will do. Page number 18. Okay. Now we have attached this rope to the another building. Now we can use our hands to go there. But on the way our hands got burnt and we died. So the grapple gun will not work. So let's see what parachute will work. All will be thinking that parachute will work, but let's see. Page 20. Okay, he's flying with it, but there's a big wall surrounding the jail with electric cables, and he got shocked. Yeah, so our last way is to use this thing. Page 22. Yeah, with the sticky thing, we can slowly go touching the buildings, and yeah, now we are in the ground. Now our last mission is to go to the other side of the this giant wall. Then we are escaped from the jail. Okay, so how will I escape? So let's see. Okay, there are four things, not three, but four. First is laser gun, catapult, shovel, and red cloth. Red cloth will be this is that bull one, but we don't know what this bull will do here. So my friend is choosing page, no, laser gun, which is page 24. Yeah, my now Henry is cutting this wall with his laser gun, but look, that cut wall is going to fall on him. Yeah, and he died. So this laser gun will not work. So second thing is this catapult, page 27. Yeah, he used this catapult to fly, but his head got cracked when he hit this wall. Yeah, his head is going to hit this wall and he will die. So we have shovel here, page 28. Okay, we are going to dig down and go to the other part. Oh, there are two ways. mm, first part is to go here and okay. So my friend was want to escape from the jail, so he is using the to the right, which is page 30. Yeah, there's a big electric generator which gives the current to the cable electricity generator, and the Henry Stickman got shocked. So let's see what this will do. Page 5. Okay, he's going left. So let's see what page 5 will do. Yeah, he digged to some underground base of police and he died. So last way is this red cloth. So let's see what this red cloth will do. He threw this red cloth over here, and a bull came from other side of the wall, breaking the wall, and he came here for this cloth. Okay, so that's how Henry Stickman escapes this game. So he's out from the jail. So if you want to see part 2 of this video, then do check out Hargun's channel. He will upload this part 2 video soon. So thanks for watching.